Hello friends, welcome back to my DC Phonics YouTube channel. I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. In this video, I would like to share with you consonant digraph GH. When consonant GH comes together, it makes a F sound and sometimes it be silent. So now first see the words that GH makes F sound. This is cuff. This is tough. Here GH makes the F sound. This is rough. This is enough. This is laugh. Okay. Now these are the words where GH is silent. So repeat after me. This is high, thigh, plow, door, eight, sight. Do watch this video again. It will really help you to understand consonant digraph GH. Show your love. Go and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.